Welcome to Knowing Cars, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. And today, we're taking a closer look at the 2022 Ferrari Roma. The Ferrari Roma is a beautiful, high-performance coupe that pays homage to its brand's finest GT cars of the past. With its sleek design, powerful turbocharged V8 engine, and balanced driving experience, the Roma is a thrilling car to drive whether you're cruising on a back road or pushing it to the limit on a racetrack. Despite its high price tag, the Ferrari Roma offers a surprisingly practical interior, with a spacious 2+2 layout and premium materials throughout. The 16-inch digital gauge cluster and 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system are both intuitive and feature-packed, making the Roma a great car for long-distance drives. Under the hood, the Roma is powered by a turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine that produces 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Roma is a joy to drive with snappy gear changes and a high-revving engine note that will thrill any Ferrari fan. While the Roma doesn't offer many advanced safety features, it does come with a suite of driver assistance technologies, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Additionally, Ferrari provides a limited powertrain warranty that covers 3 years and unlimited miles, as well as 7 years of complimentary maintenance. All in all, the 2022 Ferrari Roma is a fantastic GT car that combines stunning design with thrilling performance and practicality. If you're a fan of Ferrari high-performance cars or just want to know more about the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles, be sure to subscribe to Knowing Cars, your source for the most comprehensive car reviews and analysis. Have a good one.